Hello everyone, welcome to our daily stream. We are going to take a brief look on the charts again, and let's start with the Bitcoin chart. As you remember, our primary range is finally playing out after the sweep to the low, to the yearly open. The next target, we just reached the first target around 97,200, and the next target is the previous weekly high. Sorry, I think I muted the stream. Okay, everything should be fine now. Okay, why 97,200? This is simply our value area high of this prior range. You can see now the price is most likely, according to me, is going to make a pullback. This pullback, where shall we looking for a pullback? The primary level for a pullback, according to me, is around 96,500 and somewhere between the previous daily value area high, 9600 and 500 and 9600, 200. This is also, if we go a bit on the lower time frame, will be the perfect retest of the golden pocket. The best pullback would be somewhere between previous daily value area low, but I don't think it is going to happen. So if the bulls wants to push the price to the upside, they have to defend this level around here. This is the level I am currently monitoring for a continuation to the upside. I am targeting, after a brief correction, the price to continue to at least this range high, sweep this level, and then if we zoom out even more, I can say that we can expect, after this rounding bottom here, we can expect even as a target this highs to be targeted around the daily imbalance left right here around 102, $103,000 levels. So this is for the Bitcoin. As you see, besides the Bitcoin, on the altcoins we don't have anything significant yet. If we zoom in, if we take a look at Ethereum chart, Ethereum has flipped the mid-range now, but it's facing the golden pocket of this last downside move. To be honest, I don't know what is going to happen with Ethereum, but it's definitely not a level I'm looking for a longs. Maybe if we get a correction with the Bitcoin as well, maybe something like this is possible. Because as we talked, Ethereum is simply rotating between the value areas of this range. So this is just a sideways move from Ethereum, nothing significant yet on the chart. I don't know what else can we say about Ethereum, but again, I'm going to repeat. We had this, after this sharp move here, we had this long consolidation here around 3 months. I already told you, but I'll repeat it for those who hasn't catch it or heard it. We may form a new range here after this big downside move for a 2 month, for a 60, 80 days. So nothing. If you see the price action, it's similar to this one, where if we if we believe in fractals, you can see this price action is simply the one here. So a big drop to at least to the green level is not yet out of the cards. It still can happen, but the chances are low, but not zero. You can see that the price action is very choppy, but it's still maintaining this upside. It's important to see if this is going to be a lower high and we are going to slope to change the trend again to the downside and test again and to rotate again to the value area low. I don't know what is going to happen here, and that's why I prefer to just watch it at the moment. If we take a look on total chart again, you can see that we are still holding this local range support. Let me correct it a bit, maybe like that. This is our range, local range of total until this level is lost. This is of course a zoomed in view. On a zoom out, you can see that we have plenty of room. We are still in bullish trend. The bull trend is not over for me, and until this level is maintained, the next episode after the next target after this consolidation move should be somewhere around at least 4.5 trillion market cap for the crypto industry. This is what I'm seeing, unless this level is maintained, of course. If we lose 3 trillion, we can expect another drop at least to this level here. You can see this is exactly around 10% drop on the markets. For now, it is still fine. You can see we are still in the range, and once we break this level here, we may expect a move like this. This is the move that is going to send us to 99, 100 and even 102,000. Okay guys, as you see, there are no big updates since yesterday. This is everything from me for today. If you want to take a look at something, I'm watching the chat. If not, let me check the chat. If you have any questions, I'll wait a minute. By the way, let's check the Solana. You can see that it is finally reaching the key level here. We spoke that if we flip again this level, we can expect Solana to test the highs around here, which this means around $215 mark. If it gets rejected, most likely we are going to test again this level, and we are going to see what is going to happen here. Either we are going to have a double bottom, or we are going to break this support. Cardano, okay, let's take a look at Cardano. Okay, this is some old analysis of ours. Let's check what is going on. Okay, I remember that we talked about. The good thing is that if we remove everything right now, if we zoom in, you can see that this is a perfect range right now. It's forming on the lower time frames. And besides that, on the 4-hour chart, I'd like to see for uptrend move this level to be taken out. You can see that we had this even on our old analysis. I would like to see this level to be flipped, to be able to say that we are going to test again at least the $1 mark, these highs here. Let's check what's going on with the pocket. You can see that is pretty important level. This is our golden area from the last swing as well. I'd like to see this level to be reclaimed, and then this will open the space for Cardano to test first the $1 mark, and then we are going to see the reaction from there. For now, if we draw a bigger range, we can see that this is also, if we correct the range, this is also the mid-range. You can see that this is pretty significant level for Cardano. The good thing is that we are getting some reaction from that fair value gap here. Unless this level is lost, I think we are going to test it again. I don't like the sweeps left here, right at the resistance of this local range. And would I buy it right here? I wouldn't. I would rather wait to fall at the discount level or flip this level, because once we flip here, we are going to the next floor. This is what can I say for Cardano. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a good day and see you tomorrow again.